Napoleon furnace error codes. If you're looking for help fixing your Napoleon furnace, look no further. Our comprehensive Napoleon furnace repair guide will explain common issues, provide troubleshooting tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code LED off. Result: no power to control or control hardware fault detected. Code LED on. Result: normal operation. Code 1 flash. Result: high limit switch open. Code 2 flashes. Result: pressure switch open with exhauster on. Code 3 flashes. Result: pressure switch closed with exhauster off. Code 4 flashes. Result: lockout due to too many failed ignition attempts, 1 hour lockout. Code 5 flashes. Result: L1. Neutral polarity problem. Code 6 flashes. Result: too many limit trips within one call for heat. Code 7 flashes. Result: pressure switch cycle lockout. Code 8 flashes. Result: lockout due to too many aim dropouts. Code 9 flashes. Result: not used. Code 10 flashes. Result: flame present with gas off. Code yellow LED off. Result: no demand for high heat. Code yellow LED on. Result: high heat demand. Operating normally. Code yellow LED flashing. Result: high heat demand. High pressure switch not closed.